The 80th Independence Day was observed at the Khombai School ground in Khomlung. TTADC Chief Executive Member Ronald Barma hoisted the national flag and inspected the parade from an open-top vehicle.
'71 Battalion CRPF Bono Lam Sogana Salute Kremani Bisingtui. Since Jotono Basalayana audience, shall we all raise up? Since Jotono Basalan Boyko.
Nah, mare. Tolano.
The 80th Independence Day was celebrated at the Khombai School ground in Khomlung. TTADC CM Ronald Barma hoisted the national flag and formally inaugurated the program, which commenced with an impressive march past by contingents of the police, TSR and NCC. The celebration witnessed enthusiastic participation from a large number of students representing various schools. TTADC CM Ronald Barma extended warm greetings to everyone on the occasion of Independence Day and highlighted various developmental works and initiatives undertaken by the Council.
Ashitomo Bharat Hakotor Yok Shama Salmani Ani Joto Kazani Takukte Mukrono Kakaham Te Hamzam Yafaro Happy 80th Independence Day. We know respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, my fellow citizens, respected elders, mothers and sisters, and my dear young friends. Dini Singjoto Shivo Barod Hakotorni Yok Samasal Osal Joto Amchayo, Joto Stato, Joto Institutional Palizako. Omni Ongo Hisabino, Dinising Sini Kumulung, Headquarter TTADC, and station by or Independence Day in Salno, Sing Pali Leitung. Omono Sing Opandani Bisingte, Joto Freedom Fighters Tokno Kulumung Yaparo Jesino Yok Samas Halno Gruna Bagay Choba Kleine Joto National Heroes no Kulumung Yaparo Omoni Logi Joto Sini ancestral heroes, our visionary kings and the brave sons and daughters of this soil Je Choba Kainai, Sini dignity, rights, and lands of indigenous Tiprasa people through generation Romui, Jesini Bagi, Lorai Klai Tongnai, Choba Klai Tongnai, Romubo, Osalo, and Jotono, Kulumunya Faro, Dini Norok Joto Shivo, Norni Buskanga, and Kutal CM Hisabitini, Omono, Willa, Independence Day, celebrate Kaitani, Angoro, Chief Guest in Manjak Fayo. Omna tini Independence Day ni bisinte okogno sana musungo je responsibility ang manmani or responsibility no ang kubui ke klainai omono sumai ani norok ni hamkrai ni bagai sumai tangnai ang joto Buma bufa munai anse okra chakra sikla sikli ani sakjalai tai joto kamini kongnai lukurokno hamjamung yafaro sini identity no sini fan sini rich culture tai vibrant tradition sini language no sini Tiprasani foundation omobaino sini tinang senam jagnai. As we step into a fast changing world, I promise you this, we will progress, but never at the cost of our roots. We will build better opportunities for our youths, but we will do so while protecting our land, preserving our heritage, and honoring the legacy left behind our forefathers, such as the visionary Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur. Our children must learn the advanced modern technology with one hand while holding onto their rich cultural pride with the other. We must be honest with one another. The TTADC functions well-known constraints, be it financial, administrative, and constitutional limitations. Yet, I refuse to let limits become excuses. Within the scope of our current capacity, your council has already set to work in various critical sectors like education, entrepreneurship, and women empowerment. However, keeping things running is not enough. We need transformation. In the coming days, our administration will introduce sweeping institutional reforms. We will bring transparency and accountability to every department. We will streamline governance, eliminate corruption, strengthen our village councils, and ensure that every rupee allotted for the development reaches the intended beneficiary without leakages. Development cannot sprout in the soil of division. Peace is the absolute prerequisite for progress. Tripura's strength has always been its rich tapestry of diverse tribes and communities living side by side. I make a passionate appeal to every citizen today. We must safeguard our unity and brotherhood at all costs. Let no political or divisive force tear apart the harmony among our people. When a road is built, it serves everyone. When a hospital is upgraded, it saves everyone's life without asking for the tribe or community. Our struggle for dignity and development is a collective one, and we will win it only when we stand united shoulder to shoulder. My dear brothers and sisters, what is the true essence of independence? Independence is not merely a date on the calendar. It is not just speeches delivered from high stages once a year. True freedom is achieved when a mother in the most remote villages has access to clean drinking water and medical care. A farmer gets a fair price for his hard work without exploitation. A young boy or girl from a poor family gets a fair shot at a bright career. Every citizen lives with dignity, safety, and self-respect on their own land. Until the essence of freedom reaches every single home, every family, and every citizen of our district area, our journey remains incomplete. My administration ultimate mandate is to bring this gap to our respected elders. Guide us with your wisdom. To our mothers and sisters, strengthen us with your resilience. And to my young friends, our next generation, the future architects of our land, gives us your energy, your ideas, and your dedication. Do not just wait for change. Join us in building it. Let us resolve today to work tirelessly with pure intentions to build a self-reliant, prosperous, and cultural vibrant TTADC. Mamana tinini o indigenous deni ani speech paithak phasing no phaisok pakya. Mamana taibesha je tini O Independence Day ni salo jesini Khumbu school ni joto school ni students participate khane rang pipeline hambaite hamjung ya faro nong ni future ni bagai ang nong no kha ka ham ya faro nong ni future bright tu ta hai ke no sini ti plus am sai ni joto lukurang no bang ini no salo kha ka ham te hamjung ya faro thanchama tongnai sin thanchana sini pan thanchana ti plus ni pan thanchani bisingki ni sini man te shok te sin buskang salo manai long live the spirit of independence. Long live our cultural legacy. Long live Thancha. Long live the Prasadopa. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
The event was attended by TD-ADC CM Ronald Dabarma, including former TD-ADC CM and MDC Purna Chandra Jamatia, MDC Rabindra Dabarma, MDC Rajeshwar Dabarma, MDC Prasmit Dabarma, MDC Jiten Dabarma, TD-ADC CEO, MLA, MDC, and others. Reported by Boyer and Pravir from Khumulu, Chini Khorang.